Kult Dal, horse gram also known in English. So this is like very good in protein. So what we are going to do, we are going to soak it for about 2 hours. And now after 2 hours, I am going to give it a whistle for about, I'm going to keep it in the cooker. Put 1 teaspoon of salt here. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt to it, and then I'm going to give it whistle in the cooker. I'll keep it for 45 minutes or so. Now after 20 minutes and roughly 3-4 whistles on slow flame, this Kult Dal is ready to go, and it is mashing properly. See, it is mashing. And now I'm going to take it out of the water and cook it. We are roasting peanuts in the ghee for about 1 minute. So here you can see the sound of splatter. So that means the peanuts are almost roasted. We will not make them dark, that's all. I'm going to close the flame, that's about it. Now I'm going to just crunch the peanuts, roasted peanuts. Crush them. Here we have crushed the peanuts. So here I have drained the water of the lentil. I'm going to take the ghee and make the tadka now. We will take handful of cumin seeds. The gas is on closed for the time being. I will just season it first. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of meat masala, MDH meat masala, little bit of red chili powder, about half a teaspoon of salt, and a little more because the lentil also we boiled in salt, so we don't want too much of salt. That's about it. And then we are going to switch on the flame. Add the roasted peanuts to the lentil and you can mix it so the whole flavor of the peanuts comes in the lentil. Alright, here the masala is done. I have switched off the gas, and now you just give a good stir so that the whole peanuts flavor get infused in the lentil, and then we will mix it in the tadka that we have made in the ghee. So here I am going to transfer the dal to the cooker. Little bit water is there in the dal that could not be drained. The gas is off and the ghee is hot. So here I have transferred the whole. Now I'm going to give it a good stir. Keep the gas on simmer, and the beautiful tadka horse gram is ready. We are not adding any haldi to it because that would be a vegetable flavor. We don't want to add any haldi. This is a snack. So otherwise you can also add only zira powder. I prefer adding the garam masala, this MDH meat masala. It has really nice enhanced flavor. So we will just fry it for a few minutes, and then we are done with beautiful, nutritious, high in protein Kult Dal or the house gram. And then you can have it with your tea in the evening or offer your guests. Like simply as the chana dal we get on the station and all. It's just similar to that, but a different flavor altogether. Now just cook for 5 minutes. once we are cooking, it has started to mash. So what I'm going to do, I've kept the water separately. I'll add about, since I don't want it to get dry, I'm going to add a little bit of water to this so that it doesn't get too dry while I heat it later. So we'll add a little bit water, roughly half a small bowl, and that's about it, so that it maintains its moisture a bit. So you can see it's not too, what do you say, in a liquid form, but it has its moisture. So it's not proper dal, but then it will keep its moisture. The gas is on so that the whole flavor of the masala gets infused into it. So one boil to it, and then we will take it out and it's ready to taste. That's about it. If you see, we don't want it dry. Okay, so dry, it's very difficult, to heat it and then have, because microwave these days, when you heat it, it just takes all the moisture. So only a little bit of water, and that's about it. Let me transfer to a bowl. Here our bowl of Kuld dal is ready and to be served. So this is so nutritious and very, very nice flavor it has. Those of you who like black lentil would definitely like this. Maki dal, who all like, this is even better than that. I mean, obviously not, because that is our really, really dearer treat, but this is almost nice flavor. Those who like rajma and all, this dal has a very, very nice flavor. Actually, I'm really fan of it. I had it in South India, in Bangalore, from one of my friends. So this is very nice. I liked it. So if you want that it doesn't mash away, then you can just switch off the gas after 2 whistles or 3 whistles. And this is about it. So do try making your horse gram. Really, really beautiful lentil it is, and easy to make and ready to go, and highly rich in proteins. I hope that you liked my video, and please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.